Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time that you'll be watching this video. Welcome back to Miheso'S kitchen, and today there'll be no lighting of fire. That I'll just be making like a really simple salad that you can make at home anytime, any day, with ingredients utapata tu hapo like outside your door ama kwa soko, like yeah. So let's start. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make the salad. I have two, I don't know, can medium size them are small cucumbers, tomatoes, but I think I'll just use like 7 or 6, two lemons, two avocados, and 4 medium-sized onions. Then we have salt, and in this container I have warm water. So let's start preparing. So the first step is obviously peeling the onions. So after peeling them, I'm going to like cut them, but at this point you can just like cut them into any shape that you prefer. Then I'm going to like dip them into this warm water that I boiled. And the reason why I'm doing this is because hatutaki hizi vitunguu zikuwe na hiyo ukali yenye inakuanga nayo when it's like raw. So utaweka warm water and some salt and let them soak for like about 15 minutes to 20 minutes. So I've decided to use like 6-7 tomatoes, and the secret to making like kachumbari is choosing tomatoes that zenye hazijaiva, like zenye ziko tu semi ripe, because like ukichagua like the tomatoes that are like really ripe, like they leave juice kwa the kachumbari, and that is not what we want. Hatutaki nini supu ya kachumbari. So you just use like the semi ripe tomatoes. And after hizi tomatoes, you just cut them like into any shape size that you want, depending on just your preference. Vile tu unapenda, kama like unapenda vitu kubwa ama ndogo. So guys, I just had a minor like incident, but I have to continue shooting. And be careful this time, because hii kisu ni sharp. So I'll just cut, mix, weka, niweke kwa hii basin. Well, mix everything up. So now these are the like cucumbers, and like you be careful, because at first I got the courgettes thinking that are the cucumbers. The difference, like ukitaka kujua like the outer difference when you're buying, like the cucumbers ziko na like kama to like dots, like when you like touch like this, like you feel like bumpy, like bumps na ziko na tu vitu tudogo, sijui kama like if you can see like cucumbers ziko hivi, but for like the courgettes like iko too smooth. But like as you can see for the courgettes iko too like smooth, like when you run your hand like this, like iko smooth. But for the cucumbers ziko like bumpy, so that's how you know the difference, so that you don't confuse, because they cannot be used interchangeably. And into the mixture. Guys, there's one ingredient that I totally almost forgot, which is the dania, which is really important for a recipe, because it also adds like a lot of flavor. Like dania just in general inakuanga tu like poa, even the smell, like it's just amazing. Then the danias into the mixture. I'll just like mix everything up. Wow. I just love like how the colors like zime like pop out, like a mixture of like a lot of colors that making it like look really beautiful and tasty. But they can just live on salads alone. I love salads. I don't know why I've not made like more videos on salads, but that will change real soon. And I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of salt just to like enhance flavors. Kidogo tu. Then you continue mixing ndo like ishike kila mahali. Then this beautiful mixture will go into this dish. That's like the final one for like everything. Okay, let's do it among. Cut like in the middle, like zikwe circular. Can you already see the juice coming out? Then I like start squeezing it with this thing. This is just like, I don't know what it's called, but like hiki tu ndo tunatumia ku like squeeze lemon. But if you don't have it, don't worry, you can still use your hands, then utumie sieve to sieve everything. Ndo msikule hizo ma seeds. I don't know if you can see the juice, and this is like just half of the lemon. Now for the final step, I'll just like sieve the lemon juice into the mixture. Then mix everything up once more. Just mix everything. And our salad or kachumbari is ready. And you can enjoy it with anything, be it chips, that is fries, food like chicken. Like you can just enjoy it like on its own, like itakuwa sawa. So our salad is ready. So guys, as you've seen, this is like a really simple and quick recipe that you can fix at any time. So now, as usual, I must taste for you guys on your behalf, and I'm trying to like what? I'm trying to like get everything with this one bite. So like okay. I love like how like different textures and flavors, because like the cucumber is a bit crunchy, then the avocado is like smooth, and like obviously the tomatoes are smooth, like, but the different textures and flavors like nitamu, plus the lemon, everything, like lemon just does the magic for everything. So guys, please 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 subscribe to this channel. I'm really like trying like to push myself because Sinanga has so much time. Please subscribe, share with your friends and family. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Msiogope, just leave a comment of anything. Like, and I'll appreciate. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let me see you on the next one. See you.